Is this Is this microphone too big? I'm testing out. I don't know. Is it better if I do the little mini mic? I hate that when people do that. No offense if you do it. Just move Mr. Bones out of the way. Anywho, so this is Mr. Bones. I use him to focus when I'm testing out backdrops, when I'm testing out fun little things, props, all the fun stuff. And he's very dapper. He's got a mustache. Maybe we'll rename him Mr. Dapper. He does have bones though, so he's a little murdery. He's a dapper murderer. Oh, I should get pictures of myself and put myself all over the house. Oh, sign up to my email list. I'm not going to spam you. I'm horrible at reading my emails and I'm even worse at sending them. So you might get one every 3, 4, 5, 6 months. But if I'm doing a market or a vendor booth, it'll kind of, let you know, hey, come find me at da-da-da-da. Yeah, I hope you stick around and more importantly, book me as your photographer.